Patience 4. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6470, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever sincerely tries to be patient will be granted patience by Allah, the Exalted. He concluded that there is no gift greater than patience. A Muslim must force patience on themselves, especially during times of difficulty. The best way to achieve this is by gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. For example, the one who knows Allah, the Exalted, will give an uncountable reward to the patient Muslim is more likely to be patient than the one who is ignorant of this fact. Chapter 39 Az-Zumar, verse 10.
Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account, i.e., limit.
It is important to note that real patience is shown at the onset of a situation, not later on. When one demonstrates patience later on, this is acceptance, which even the most impatient person experiences. Finally, patience is important to adopt, as it is required in each element of obeying Allah, the Exalted. This involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and when facing destiny. Put simply, success in worldly or religious matters is not possible without patience. Therefore, it is a magnificent gift granted by Allah, the Exalted, to those who strive to adopt it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.